Make man drop off the wall like Humpty.
Bumbleclaw. The man said, back up, pussy fall back. Then him jump, then BackRoad G jump in and say, make man fall off the wall like Humpty. You know, Humpty Dumpty. Fall off of the wall and broke up him like a blood clot.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh, shit, my chest is going.
Wag1, baby. Wag1, baby. Wag1, baby. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, here with Sneakbo. Sneakbo featuring BackRoad G. Sneakbo, big up yourself. When I first react to one of your song name G. Song name Wag1. BackRoad G, big up your fucking self, dog. The song name Wag1. Wag1, baby. Wag1, baby. Hey, pretty girl, Wag1. Me ask Wag1. So we're gonna see what is it about. We don't know what is what, so we're gonna jump straight to that when I waste no time. No time. No time now, yes, let's go. We have breakdown. No, wait, you know, I'm gonna break down that blood clot. No, brother. That chicken that look burn up, brother. That chicken that look like gonna leave it and gone somewhere else. Gone do something else. Jerk man, you're not going good. Jerk man, you're not going on good. The chicken needs to be more, you know? Yeah. It look like a chicken. I don't know if a pork or a chicken, but whatever it is, it burn up. Yeah. Burn up, got that. That don't look good. Not telling a lie. That's what I'm here for. I'm breaking down. The chicken don't look good, brother. The song start like this. I hope so the song fucking bad. Yeah, let's go. Alright, the song look like it's a vibe already. Girl outside, man them outside, chicken a bun up, things are going, BackRoad G say something. Alright, let's go.
Wag1, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Hey, Wag1, my party.
Bumbleclaw! You see girl them want them thick like caramel porridge? You see girl them want them thick like them drink cement soup? You see girl them want them thick like my grandmother clock? She's
Wag1, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I be getting busy. Catch me in the city, downtown Bricky.
Wag1, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Catch me in the city. I be getting downtown in Bricky. Downtown in a Bricky. Brixton, right? Hey.
Wag1, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I be getting busy. Catch me in the city, downtown Bricky. Need 1 milli, 2 milli, act silly.
Need 1 milli, 2 milli, actually. Alright, let's go. Let's get into it.
Summertime, pull up on them bikes.
I Wag1, my party. What's good, my charging? You know that we're loaded right there with the fart out.
BackRoad G, a yard man? Cause him have it lock. BackRoad G have it lock. That video look like it's gonna be a mother's.
Side never pretty, brim skirt in the city. Reminiscing on days I used to serve the nitties.
Reminiscence of days I used to serve nitty. In my reminisce on days before I become a star. He used to do road and do him thing on the road. Police, me not going to know information about the man. Don't ask me nothing. Leave me alone. Don't ask me nothing. But like, let's go.
Now I'm making money like I'm Diddy. Yes. Bad B says she want a piece of my willy. Ride, come and ride it like a jilly.
Bad B says she want a piece of me. Willy, cocky, hood, body, yes. Na belly, Bikers them out.
Big 4-5 make him dance like Shiggy.
I got a big back blick thing that feels for my willy. Tell her chill out and stop moving so silly.
Yo, fuck I see, man. Yo, big up yourself, BackRoad G. Brother, your fucking ad-libs them just different, bro. Like, BackRoad G one of them artists. I think I said this before. BackRoad G one of them artists. You can tell him from a mile away. That is BackRoad G, and there's no one. There's nobody else. Yeah, dog, he's going in.
4-5 good, but the spinner's so pretty. Tell her man chill out, I might leave her with her.
4-5 good, but the spinner's so pretty. The spinners are either the 38 Magnum the 38 snub are the Magnum, the 44 mag. It's pretty. It's a revolver. The revolver pretty.
One killy.
Hey, yo, Wag1 my party.
You see tonight, man, might lock off this party.
Who's outside? Who, man? No army.
Fucking hell. Why me can't get invited to one of these videos, but bring me one chicken. Can the chicken burn up? Sorry, chicken man. Sorry.
Get round there, we're gonna done this party.
We're blacker, blue. The killies rinse off the clip when they come around. I'm from A-Town, get down or lay down back.
From A-Town. Where's my A-Town there? I'm from A-Town, get down or lay down. So get down with the movement or get lay out on the ground. Screw.
Count and spray rounds, hustle, I slap down.
Slap it, doggy, slap it. Hop in a motor, man, you know this thing ain't jamming.
Bumbleclad. He's ready now. Him ready.
Around, I'm from A-Town, get down or lay down. Back out and spray rounds, hustle, I slap down.
Yo, just listen to it BackRoad G say now.
Slap it, doggy, slap it. Hop in a motor, man, you know this thing ain't jamming. Kick back, man, so it says, man, damn it.
Bumbleclad. Kick back mad, so we say Van Damme, you know, Jean-Claude Van Damme, the martial art expert, and the kicking and him kick mad. Tell man say the kick back mad. But the girl in the video enjoy themselves.
Tell him I'm back up, dog, you have it.
Back up, pussy fall back.
Make man drop off the wall like Humpty.
Bumbleclad. The man said back up, pussy fall back. Then him jump, then BackRoad G jump in and say, make man fall off the wall like Humpty. You know Humpty Dumpty? Fall off of the wall and broke up him like a blood clot. Humpty Dumpty, you fucker you. Humpty Dumpty Jamaican say Humpty Dumpty. We don't say Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty drop off a wall and broke up him blood clot. Too fast. High seed kill Mr. Maspus. What the fuck you gonna sit down for? You should have drop off again and broke up again. Humpty Dumpty, you fucker you. Let's go.
Back up, pussy fall back.
Make man drop off the wall like Humpty.
Dumpty, capping with a pumpy.
So when him drop off the wall, even if him broke up, you go clap it with the pumpy same way. Now when I that round of applause clapping, you know, you can push and wing. Them clapping the boy I get. The pumpy.
Ambush jumpy, give me the pumpy.
Wag1 killy.
Hey, yo, Wag1 my party.
You see tonight, man, might lock off this party.
This is the next fucking hit. This is the... When party walking back, them song after playing in the party. These are songs with DJs on getting the playlist up, getting the playlist ready, cause them song are after play, brother.
Who's outside? Who, man? No army. Get round there, we're gonna done this party.
Still up in the hood, I'm on the back road.
For the girl them, man. You see the girl them out of go? Cheese.
No money made, I ain't going back home. Bobo, back road, done no.
The man say, yo, basically, yo, him avoid the main road, him dep on the back road them. If no money no make, him not go home until money make. So him have to go home with bread in his pocket. Have to go home. When I say bread, I don't mean hardware bread, I mean sliced bread. One got the money, the moolah, the cream.
Wag1 killy.
Hey, yo, Wag1 my party.
You see tonight, man, might lock off this party.
Who's outside? Who, man? No army.
Who's outside? 2 man, no army. Yo.
Get round there, we're gonna done this party.
Him say that again. What me him say? Him say something again.
There, we're gonna done this party.
Say it with your chest. Say it with your chest. Me know him say what I go. Which playlist is this? Sorry, I'm look on a playlist. How for project this? I'm gonna feature in BackRoad G. Okay, so my boy song. Okay. Sneakbo. Okay. So changes featuring Richie Campbell. What yoy? Where you at? Come a long way. Feature Adias. Okay, nice song. Nice. M24 depend. Okay. Get a gospel. Okay. Parcel. Okay. Him have no features, man. Have no features, peeps. Dripping featuring Greedy. Don't link. Yo.
Yeah.
In bad. The song have a buzz. The song have a buzz. The song have a vibe. BackRoad G, big up yourself. Sneakbo, big up yourself. I'm glad to me I hope somebody say your name right. Sneakbo. Big up yourself, G. The song bad. The song is a vibe. My only downside night, because me can cook. Me can do jerk chicken. So the jerk chicken did look a bit shaky. So me kinda have a little, thing about that at the start of the video, but sooner or later I forgot about the jerk chicken and just jumped straight tonight because it's a vibe. It's sick. It's a hype song, but it's a nice song. You know what I mean? It's a hype song, but it's a nice song. But yeah, this is I'm gonna end the one still, guys. If you enjoy the reaction here, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're new around here. Two artists and big up on yourself. Make sure you want to share about the video though. Make sure you want to share about the blood clot video. Big up on yourself. Anyway, we're outside. Wag1 party. Wag1 G. Yeah.